In this video, we are making chocolate chip pecan cookies. You can choose different add-ins or not add any at all. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Mix wet ingredients. Two and a quarter cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix in dry ingredients. 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of chopped nuts. Mix until fully combined. Line your pan with parchment paper. Scoop dough onto tray. Bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool on a rack for about 10 minutes. Cookies are done.